Welcome to the Quiz Miz. Can you guess all the foods? Let's test your foodie knowledge today. Only true food lovers can guess these right. Get ready for a fun food guessing challenge. Let's go. What is this called? Croissant. Can you name this food? Donut. Do you know this dish? Cheeseburger. Guess the name of this. French toast. What's this snack? Pasta. Any idea what this is? Bruschetta. What do we call this? Sushi. Which food is this? Waffle. Name this yummy item. Pizza. What's the name of this dish? Stir_fry. Identify this food. French fries. Do you recognize this? Salad. Which dish is shown here? Beef steak. What's this meal called? Taco. Tell me the name of this. Chocolate cake. Can you guess this? Hot dog. What food is in the picture? Cereal. Do you know this food's name? Biryani. Which item is this? Spring roll. What is the name of this? Sweet potato. Can you guess the dish? Gulab jamun. What's this food called? Hummus. Any guess for this one? Dosa. Which drink do you see? Iced coffee. Can you name the dish? Noodles. What do you call this? Sausage. Do you know what it is? Chickpeas. What's the name of this food? Porridge. Which dish is this? Chicken nuggets. Can you identify this? Ice cream. Can you identify this? Tea. Name this dish quickly. Popcorn. Guess the name here. Cotton candy. What is the food shown? Oatmeal. What's this called? Bagel. Can you guess its name? Pancake. Do you know this item? Avocado toast. Tell me, what's this food? Lasagna. Can you recognize this drink? Smoothie. What food is this called? Cinnamon roll. Do you know the name? Omelette. Which dish do you see? Kimchi. Guess what this is? Muffin. What's the dish name? Falafel. Can you say this food's name? Tofu. Identify the dish shown. Cheesecake. What's this food item? Mashed potato. Tell me the dish name. Garlic bread. Do you know what food this is? Apple pie. What do you think this is? Cookie. How many did you guess right? Did you get them all correct? Comment your score below. More exciting quizzes are coming, so subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.